Hi guys, welcome to Shiva Perseverance Software Training Institute Tirupati. We basically provides both offline and online trainings. All right. So our offline platform is available at Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh. Coming to the online, it is from anywhere anybody can attend. All right. So we basically support students to acquire different software courses on demand, and we also support them to land in their dream jobs by enabling placement assistance program which is available with us, which will take care of end-to-end operations on landing students in their dream jobs. All right, so in this particular video we'll discuss about AI. So actually we have released one of the video previously on YouTube on our channel and explained about what is AI, ML, and deep learning. So now let's understand. So this is actually will be sharing multiple videos on AI. So you can go through these particular videos. You will get to know things needed to understand and work with AI. All right. So AI is nothing but when we make machines to think or act like human beings. All right, so using some math, logic, and data. So that is all about AI. And now, so when we actually further go the road ahead of this AI journey, right? So we need to firstly understand what are all the different types of AIs. All right, so we have three types of AIs basically. So these three types are narrow AI, general AI, and super AI. All right, so what is narrow AI? It cannot do everything like a human. It is something like which only knows how to do a specific job which was actually trained for. Meaning of that is, so basically we take a for example, you know we have something like chat gpt, right? It's a product. We have something like canva. So we have multiple products over there. So the thing is, what we are being explained here is that all these AI tools are something like which comes under narrow AI. All right, so it cannot do everything like a human. It is only meant for to do specific tasks on which it is trained for. All right, that is narrow AI. So and now general AI. So can think and learn like a human, but we have not built this yet actually. All right, so we are yet to go there. And now super AI. So it is actually far more smarter, faster than humans in any dimension, any way. But the thing is, it's a sci-fi for now, science fiction. All right, so people usually get stuck here that in which AI type we are currently running on. See, basically we are still working and performing R&Ds, uh, creating multiple tools under narrow AI. So meaning of that is, if we discuss where are we right now, we are currently using narrow AI. We are not yet into general AI or super AI. All right, so now we are currently productively using narrow AI. It works by learning from data. All right, and AI making machines act smart. It powers tools like Siri, Google Translate, ChatGPT, and much more. All right, fine, guys. So in the future lectures, we'll see about other details later. Thank you.